So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. You want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the command, which I'm going to leave down below in the description. This command right here. Just going to copy it and then just paste it right here. Control C, Control V, which will then paste it. Click on enter, and then this will come up. Click on next, and then it will detect your problems. It's going to do the hardware troubleshooter. If you see your DVD here, you can select it and then go through it. If you don't, click on I don't see my device listed, and then just follow the steps. If anything comes up, it'll fix it for you. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand IDE ATA 80 API controllers. Expand this, and then anything you see that says standard SATA, you want to right click on it and then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. It's going to ask you to restart your computer. Don't restart it yet until you complete the next step in the video, so click on no. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now once you're on here, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to expand current control set, and then we're going to expand control, and then you want to expand class. And I'm just going to expand this so we can see it easier, make this a bit bigger. And now you want to click on the one that says 4D36E965. Again, it says 4D36E965, and you'll see it up here. And now once you're in here, you should have something that says lower filters. You want to delete this, so you want to right click on it, and then click on delete, and then click on yes, delete lower filters. If you did not have lower filters when you got here, that's fine. Now, you just want to restart your computer. Whether you had it or you did not have it, you just want to restart your computer now that it's gone. Click on restart, and then everything should be fixed.